We're on.
We're on.
We're on.
Hello, my name is Neve.
Oh wait, is that actually recording? Yeah. Hi, guys. Welcome. What do I do? Just act natural. This is just act natural. Okay, so welcome to our baking show today. Since it's Easter weekend, we're gonna make some Easter brownies because
we love baking.
We love baking, and that's literally all we're doing at the moment.
Yeah.
So, ingredients. Usual Easter egg in this. We've got the big Easter egg, mini eggs, these are vegan ones. Got raw cacao powder,
Coconut sugar.
essential. 2 eggs, but you can substitute this with like flax eggs. Flax eggs. Same thing.
Coconut sugar, coconut flour, as well as coconut sugar. Lots of coconut.
Baking soda, not too much though.
We've had a bit of a run-in with baking soda. We fell out.
Basically, last time we baked a cookie skillet, and all we could taste was baking soda. It was actually gross.
Not to point fingers, but Shannon didn't supervise me, and I accidentally put double the amount of baking soda that it should have been.
The toppings were good. That's what we can take away from this.
Yeah.
Baking powder.
We've got date and tahini sauce as our like sweetener, as well as the coconut sugar.
You can use anything like maple syrup, date syrup, anything like that. Tahini. What is this? Okay, right, this is vegan butter, and it's made from cashew nuts. But you can just use coconut oil. Oh no, this is like basically coconut oil. Yeah, vegan butter. That's what you need.
Not real butter.
Not real butter. We don't. Not even the words butter in this household. And then vanilla extract. I have your baking snacks. We've just eaten what was one such great.
Our
pre-vegan
ripples. Pre-cooking fuel is necessary. So first things first, you crack open the egg and you eat some, just to make sure that it's not poison.
Just check for me if it has peanuts in. I'm allergic to peanuts, FYI. Basically, I'm allergic to peanuts, and my housemaid is just obsessed with peanuts. So she eats everything with peanuts, and I feel like I do get traces sometimes in my meals.
She's microdosing peanuts.
Yeah,
really.
She's like trying to make me immune to it. And we also have limited sauces in this household, so we shall be using a saucepan as a mixing bowl. But use what you have, you know. Isn't it so satisfying when you crack the egg?
Yeah.
Like, the sound, you have to like go straight in the middle. It smells really nice. It smells unreal.
Oh, I'm not strong enough.
I'm not joking. I can't actually do it. I'm ruining the moment. Good.
Yeah.
First things first.
Okay, first things first, I'll do the wet ingredients, you do the dry ones. Essentially just mix them all together. So just mix all of your wet ingredients together, all of your dry ingredients together.
Melt the butter first. So that's 11 grams, I think, of butter, because a tablespoon's like 40 grams, so that should be enough.
So we've melted the butter, now the eggs are going in. All over the table.
I don't think we have a full egg there, that's going to ruin our recipe, I just know it.
Oh my god, what is wrong with me?
No, I can't deal with this. Add half a cup of coconut sugar.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 of a cup of date and tahini sauce.
I think this is quite a controversial one, to be honest. I don't think everyone's going to like this. As in like the tahini bit, because it's quite like a salty, gives a bit of a salty flavour.
I'm just going to go for a teaspoon of this. It's really thick. Like,
oh, we should have melted that as well. And what I've learned in the past is, like, if you're trying to make it healthier and you just don't want to add much sugar, just add it. Just add it, because
it's never going to be good.
Yeah. You might, if you're baking, you might as well just make it good, you know.
Don't skimp on the products, basically, just to make it marginally healthy.
Oh shit.
And she tells me a whole cup of tahini.
Fucking hell!
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
A whole jar.
I need to get rid of that one anyways, don't worry. 1/3 of a cup of cacao powder. I think I'm actually just guessing this. Basically, I'm thinking this is 2 cups, so just anything, just make it relative.
Just make it relevant. Make it relevant.
I said that also doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
1 tablespoon of coconut flour. If you want to be a bit extra, add some of your favourite chocolate protein. This one I really like. It's the White Wolf Nutrition in chocolate malt. This is also unreal with hot chocolate.
Really?
Just actually unreal. Just like Maltesers. I'm just gonna do a scoop of this. Just, you know, gotta get in that protein.
Hashtag gains. You will not lose your gains when you bake with us. Yeah,
I would say so.
And we have the cup of tahini.
That would be very instructional. You never have to follow this.
Yeah. Mixing my wet ingredients. So half a teaspoon of baking.
Not even that, like a quarter,
I'd say. So next we fold in the wet ingredients into the dry. Once this is combined.
Oh my god, that looks unreal. I need to get this on my hand.
It's all gone now.
Oh, do it again. This is like caramel.
I've got a good feeling about this, guys.
I can taste it. I can taste it. I can taste it. No, when you like, when powder like comes up and you can like taste it in your tongue, that's what I meant.
Of course you did. Because we love chocolate.
And chocolate loves me.
It's sticky.
Oh my god, yeah, it's so sticky. These are going to be good though, because they're going to come out like gooey, crisp on the top.
Way better.
Yeah.
I almost think this is going to be too big to put them.
Get your baking cake ready and just put it on your tin. It's honestly easier than just greasing the whole thing. I feel like we need to make a second batch. We're going to make another batch.
Let's do 1 egg.
Okay. I feel like we should make half the recipe.
Shall we? Yeah, let's do that.
In that case, do you think we should like, once this is done, we just mix it all together with this? Because otherwise it'll be like 2 different.
Yeah, definitely.
Put any more like baking powder and stuff in.
The fear of baking soda is so real.
So real, honestly, it'll ruin your life. It'll ruin your baking career. So I just wouldn't recommend.
Are they? Yeah.
Yeah, they're good.
Pasture raised eggs.
Always. You're so aggressive when you
What do you mean?
Love it. Baking's just so much more fun with someone else.
Yeah.
Like by yourself, you're just like.
Yeah, you're just like, it's just great. Is there anything better than a baked good?
And we're back. We've made the spread. The ratios that we made was perfect.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add some of the Easter egg in and some of the eggs as well.
Are you gonna bake them with the wrappers on?
No. No, of course not.
We're halving the eggs and then we're gonna try and push them into the brownies so you get like melted chocolate in the brownie.
I don't know what happened. It just started getting really hard to cut.
Wow.
I think that's enough.
I think that's enough. I think that's enough, but we're gonna put more on anyway.
Continues to add more.
Baking 101, more is more.
Can you see this? Look how good this looks. Look at that. Now we're gonna put this in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for
18 minutes.
18 minutes. So we'll check on it from like 10 minutes and see.
Yeah.
How it's looking.
See you on the flip side.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. So, reveal them. Guys, they actually look unreal, like I can't even. Oh my god, they smell phenomenal. God damn.
Well
We did a
done
great
us.
job. Yeah, well done us. That just perfect. So the brownies obviously turned out amazing. And now we're gonna make a little drizzle on top. And what I love doing is adding this protein. This is blessed protein. This is the birthday cake flavour, and I mix it with a bit of the soy milk to make like an icing. Thank you. You want to begin adding the milk slowly because you want to make like a paste first. If you do add too much milk, then just add a bit more protein powder in. Don't know what's happening behind me. I'm sure it's great entertainment while you watch me stir this marco up. Really into it.
This soy milk also has protein in it.
This is actually a great soy milk, guys. Per 100 ml, it's 5 grams of protein.
Almond milk is like 3.5. But the fact that this is actually advertised as protein plus, when almond milk is just almond milk.
Well, I'm sure if almond milk was 5 grams, it would be almond protein plus milk. So actually, you should just stop hating.
Don't hate from outside the club.
So don't from outside the club, but you can't get in!
Sorry, Shannon's quite defensive about her soy milk.
Hi, I'm back.
You're a crazy woman.
So we are ready to do the drizzle. You don't want to overdo it, you know?
No.
Here's a wink.
Cool, an Easter brownie.
But yeah, they are the brownies. I wish you could taste them. And, oh, should we sprinkle some cacao nibs, or do you think I'll
Yeah.
Do you think?
Crunch.
Yeah.
Always a crunch.
Oh. Cacao nibs on there.
Yes.
Well, my friends, that's it. That is it. Let us know if you want more baking videos. We're more than happy to make them.
Please do.
This actually. Next time.
Send requests.
Please.
Nothing too extreme though. Along the brownie and
Send
cake
us a
lines.
challenge. That would be fun. Thanks for watching.
Woo! Peace.
Ta-da. I feel they need a close up.
Get it even closer.
Get it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Unreal.